could today. Absolutely right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, of course, we now would like to present a very special video presentation for you to show our appreciation for one of our sponsors. Noble, please turn your eyes to the screen. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Now to present our total appreciation, we please have once again Datin Tracy on stage.